Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joanne. I do unboxings and what I got in the mail, and basically whatever I buy I will show it to you if it is worthwhile showing. So this is Roccabox and it comes like this in a pink outer lining. This is £13.95 a month and I get it every single month, and sometimes I might dip in, dip out. It depends whether I fall in love with it or I hate it. So that's the way it goes with me. It's just where I am. I've had to come back into my bathroom to film because it's right noisy in my bedroom because there's some renovations going on. So I'm in here. Right, so let's just open this up. So we've got a nice pink box. I was going to say we're back to the white and rose gold one, but they've actually changed it. It's salmony coloured pink. I don't know whether my camera's picking it up like a bit more darker than it is, but it's a nice light pink with the white writing on it, and it does say Roccabox, and it says I am worthy. You definitely are worthy. And it says I am strong. I am definitely strong. I do like fitness and all of that. And it says I am beautiful. Well, that could be questionable. But if it is my subscribers, you are beautiful. You know what I think of you. Right, so let's just open it up like so. Okay. You can see that this is the June edition, and it's like, I'm just going to take that off and you will see it. Maybe I'll take some of the wormies off and then you'll see a little bit more. I don't want to see that. So we'll take some of those off, and can you see that? Probably is not. These I took. I need to take some more of them out. Right, so there we go. There's the June edition. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I'm going to hold it like that anyway. And I haven't seen anybody's unboxing videos or anything, or no post about this, so I don't know what is in that box. So let's just, without further ado, I'm just going to pull out an item and let's have a look at it. Right, okay, so we've got Moleskine. Now, I've had Moleskine before, and I think that it's absolutely fantastic. Is that going to focus on that? Come on. Because I want it to focus. Bring you in a bit closer. I'm sorry, I'm just actually getting used to working my camera. I've got a new microphone on it, and right, so that is the Moleskine. This is the Skin Perfector, and it's a perfector for lines, smoothing. It's a combination skin. It's an instant blur technology, and we got 50 mils of it, and it is against animal testing. Yes. It is using the best of nature, yes, and it is using, and it's made in the UK, yes. Well, I'm not really bothered about it being made in the UK. So that is it for that one. We get also, I think you have 5 items. Oh, this one's a good one, but I know it's a sample. It's the Urban Veda Reviving Exfoliating Facial Polish. It's really good, is that one. I don't know if it's going to focus. Come on, focus on that. So if I bring it out a bit more, it might focus. Right, okay, so this one is no SLS, it's no parabens, it's 20 ml, it's urbanveda.co.uk. It is against animal testing. They are vegan approved, and you get 12 months with this. So I actually don't think that one is going to last 12 months. So will that focus on that? Don't think it's going to last 12 months. It being a sample size like that, it's about a couple of months. Maybe you might get a month out of it if you're lucky. Well, that is that one. Then the next item, we've got quite a few little items in here, like Cetaphil Daily Moisturizer. It's a pretty good one. but it's a small one, and this is the Daily Defense Moisturizer for face sensitive skin. It protects with broad spectrum. It has UVA, UVB in it, filters, and it hydrates the skin. It's a lightweight, easily absorbed, and it's SPF 50. So it's really good to use in the summertime when it's like really blooming of light, but though it's not a blooming of light here in Blackpool, it's actually quite dull and raining and quite depressing, and I would love it to be like blooming of light, sunshine, because I love this summer, but it's not. We need a heat wave or something like that. Oh right, this looks like an unusual item, but it is the nip+fab. That is like a full-size item. It's really big. It's the nip+fab Fix Sticks. So this is the definition, Fix Sticks definition. And I've never seen this one before. Never heard of it at all. So I don't know what it's going to be like. Right, so mine is the medium sculpt. Is that like a, I'm trying to think of what it does. You know where you sculpt your face to get rid of all of those, like, I've got a double chin and all of that. What is it? I don't know. Maybe it could be one of those. Contour. That's the word I was looking for. Contour stick. It could be a contour stick. Right, so then we have got a Ted Baker London. Is this a perfume thing? Don't know. Maybe there's a perfume thing in there, but I do not know. I'm looking. Is this looking a bit yellowy? Maybe it is. Maybe I need to sort my camera out a bit more for it to get white. Then we have got a beauty egg. So this is the beauty egg, and it's a Unicorn Cosmetics beauty egg. And it just says, our microfiber technology and smooth, rounded shape makes this one cracking egg with a pointed tip to get all in the nooks and crannies. The makeup sponge will buffer out foundation and cream product like a dream. Flawless precision for all of your everyday needs. For best results, moisten before you use it. This is cruelty-free, vegan, and latex-free. And you just go to www.unicorncosmetics.com, and it says replace every 1 to 3 months. You should replace your beauty egg every 1 to 3 months. Right, so now I'm just going to get the card and let's see about this box. So first of all, it has a gorgeous picture of it, of two very pretty ladies on there, and they are enjoying the sunset. It looks like California or somewhere hot like that. And it says, hey, happy June, ladies. Congrats on making it through the boring half of the year. It's onwards and upwards from here. So this month is themed around defoliating, preening, and prepping your skin, shedding off the spring and defying those cheekbones. Ready to snap your perfect selfie? We're helping you get close up ready, because whether you're taking selfies or not, everyone knows the summer is when all the fun happens, and you're gonna need a few pictures here and there to remember the summer nights. You had a few too many gin and sea incidents. Wow. Okay, so we want to see your Roccabox summer selfies, so please tag us in the Roccabox. Right, so it's gonna go on about this. We'll start off with this. The first item is, this is the Unicorn Cosmetics Beauty Egg, and it's £4.99. This is a complexion perfection beauty sponge. It used dampened. The beauty egg delivers a seamlessly blended finish to your foundation application. Designed with a both flat and pointed edge, the innovative applicator reaches both smaller and larger areas of the face for comfortable and convenient use. So that is that there. So that's £4.99. Oh, it does say on the box, we're going to go on about quotes. It says, I am me. Wow, that is nice. I do like that. And I like that sponge. It's pretty good. £4.99, remember. So wise, I paid £13.95 for this box, so there is like, I'd say about 3% of it there. So we're gonna go on about the Urban Vita. Now then, this is not a full-size item. This is the Urban Vita Reviving Exfoliating Facial Polish. The full size of this would be £13.99, but this is reveal a healthy, fresher looking skin with our Reviving Exfoliating Facial Polish, a delicate yet effective exfoliator. Reviving Facial Polish is designed to be massaged into stimulate circulation. I will get there with my words. These are big words. And to gently buff away the dead skin cells to reveal a deeply cleansed and soft, youthful skin. Right, okay, so I will let you have a look at this because this is what we do with unboxing videos. We play around with the stuff and we test it out. So you'll have to forget my hand because I've actually just been playing around with the foundation and I've left it on. So I just want to see I'll show you what it looks like. So it's gonna come out like a white clear substance and it's really a soft scrubby texture to it. It really is, but it's like actually bringing my hand a little shimmer up there. And it's showing up on the camera a little shimmery. Oh, it has a gorgeous lavender scent. Oh my, that is like a really, really nice lavender scent. That's gorgeous. That is absolutely beautiful. I do love that. Just for the scent alone, and it's really isn't. I got a lavender scent, but it actually has like a countryside smell, like of roses. It's a beautiful scent. It just is. It's like relaxing, nice. I like that scent. It really is a lovely scent to it. I actually did. I meant to say, this is a little bit of a messed up item, but I actually have the full size item of it. So yeah, as I said, it's a bit messy, but I do have it. That's how much I do like this. It really is a nice product, so it's going to get well used because I do like that. So, and you know me, I do like my exfoliators. I mean, as I said, I have the nip+fab one here. I do like them. So, I shouldn't have done that, but I did it because I know, I like exfoliators. Right, so then the next item is, well, £29.50 and available at full size. This is available £29.50. Monoskin, I knew you were dear, but that's like really extortionate price. And it's available at full size. Well, we got a 50ml. So I'm not sure if this is full sized or what. It does say travel size for the Urban Vita, but it says available at full size. So I'm guessing that must be available at full size on their webpage. So this is Monoskin Perfecta. It is a weightless cream which instantly smooths, perfections and enhances natural radiance, featuring energizing bergamot and neroli essential oils. It uses a soft focus technology for an instant smoothing effect. Multivitamins and minerals also restore lost vitality for glowing skin. It's paraben free. Apply after cleansing and toning. Right, let's just see what I get with this one. And this one is a whopping £29.50. It's like super expensive. Who would pay that for a moisturiser? Obviously somebody. I didn't want to taste it. It doesn't taste very nice. It tastes like lemons and peppers and ooh. Right, so we'll just put that there. I don't mean to put too much of it on, but there it is there. Oh wow, that's super moisturising. It just really is nice and moisturising. So straight to work, super fast, and ignore my Fitbit and my camera's going off. So I'm going to have to hurry up. But that is really, really a nice one. Then the next one we got, which is the Cetaphil. That's just a moisturiser, so I'm going to have to put that in there quickly. And I'm going to have a look at this. So this is like a contour stick. And I got mine in medium. Oh, wow. I'm going to just quickly do my cheekbones. And like I would with a contour stick. And there. So it says contour your way to a selfie ready flawless complexion. This is £10.95 and it's definition medium sculpt with a caramel tone with a matte finish, creating the perfect shadow for sculpting and defining facial features with an easy application and buildable formula to achieve a sculptive and defined look. So yeah, right. So this is where I am going to actually end my video doing a review. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye!